A company known for its commitment to clean, renewable power generation and boasts a power generation portfolio that features wind, solar, and hydroelectric power, supplemented by natural gas, nuclear, and biomass generation, is Xcel Energy. But power generation is useless without transmission. Xcel has an extensive network of electricity transmission assets, including more than 1,200 substations and more than 20,000 miles of transmission lines. Xcel is expanding this network, which is active across 10 states in 2 major regions of the country. On the financial side, Xcel's first quarter results of 2023 showed total revenues up 8.8% year over year. On the bottom line, earnings per share was up 8.5% year over year, and the stock carries a dividend of about 3.29%. And we're now taking a look at a 20-year monthly chart on Xcel Energy Inc. And the symbol in the upper left, as you can see, is XEL. For disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Xcel Energy at this time. Now, this is a wonderful chart. Looking all the way back 2003 up to the current time frame, it's had a pretty nice run all the way up, even given the downtrend, say, in the last year or so. What I like, though, is the divergence. Let's take a look at that. First here, volume looks fine, no problems there. Now here into the MAC, this is the divergence I'm looking at. You can see that the top out in the MAC was in late 2019, maybe early 2020, so it's been heading down for over 3 years. But back up to the price chart, you can see that really the top of the price was there in, say, late 2022, and it's been trending down since then, but not very far. Back to the MACD, you can see once again that divergence. This downtrend in the MAC has come a long way, all the way down here. So I like the fact that it's coming down and looking to reset, yet the price chart is holding up. Not sure exactly where the bottom and basing will be, but start to look for it in this area here below that zero line. You're going to have plenty of time to check out the fundamentals of this stock. And that's what I like about it, is watch the indices bottom, base, and head on up, and then go take a look at what I'll call laggards. But even though they're laggards, they're still going to do well, and they'll follow suit with the indices. So you'll have a heads up. Moving here into the histogram, pretty much the same thing. Downtrends, say, in the last several years are down here, but not significant. Again, into the price rate of change, we have that divergence with the top at this point here coming all the way down and looking hopefully to reset here pretty soon. It's coming down, but the price hasn't. Same thing here in the RSI. We're at a moderate 39.57. We've meandered up and down around that 50 or midline. So look for a bottom and basing in here within the next few months. It may take a little bit longer, but you're going to have plenty of time to watch it. Same thing here with stochastics. Into the Williams, we haven't gone down very far. You know, looking at some of the other charts, they've gone way down here near that negative 100, but this is not the case. We've got a bottoming basing in here, but again, I don't think it's quite ready to head on up, but soon enough it will. So you have plenty of time to check those fundamentals as well as the charts, because remember, the risk is all yours. ChewDog out.